Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Leni Nurlela. And now I want to answer the question from Advanced English Grammar subject. So let's do the question together. The first one is compare the fullness of the glasses using this phrase. Just as, almost as, or not quite as, and not nearly as. So this is my answer. Why I use not quite as? Because class 3 have small difference with class 4. And number 2, what I use not nearly as? Because class 2 have big difference with class 4. Number 3, why I use just as? Because the class 1 exactly same with the class 3. Next, correct the error. My brother is 22. I am 20. My sister is 18. I am the youngest than my brother, and my sister is the younger person in our family. This is exactly wrong, incorrect. So what the right answer? This is the right answer. Why I use younger? Because it is the comparative compares. What is comparative compare? Comparative is compare one thing with another thing. I am and my brother. And why I use the youngest in this sentence? Because this is the superlative compares. What is the superlative compares? Superlative compares compare what one part of group with a whole of group. One of the group is my sister, and whole of the group is our family. Next, number 3, complete the sentence with more or are confusing. Professor Joko speaks clearly, but I have trouble understanding Professor Mulyani's lectures. Her lectures are much blah 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 than Professor Joko's. Why I use more confusing? Because the adjective have 3 syllables. Confusing. Because the rule of comparative compares is if the adjective have 3 syllables or more, we use more. Use word more. Next, number 4. Add very much, a lot, or part to the sentence. Learning a second language is more difficult than learning chemistry's formula. Why I use the much, a lot of, or far? Because much, a lot, and far are used to modify comparative adjectives and adverbs. Number 5. Complete the sentence with the more, the more, or er. If a knife is sharp, it is easy to cut something with blah blah blah. A knife is blah blah blah, it is to cut something. This is my answer. Why I use the sharper and the easier? Because the sentence have double comparatives. Next, number 6, complete the sentence with superlative and in or of. Joe got a bad score on the test. It was one of blah 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 scores blah 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 in the whole school. This is my answer. Why I used the worst? Because the superlative of bad is worst. Why I use in? Because this is the superlative. The pattern of superlative is superlative plus in place. Number 7. Complete the sentence with as, to, from, or 0 if no word is necessary. An orange is similar blah 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 a grapefruit. There are both citrus fruits, but an orange is not the same, blah blah blah. A grapefruit is usually red and sour. Why I use to? Because dissimilar is followed by to, usually followed by to. Why I use as? Because the same, usually S is following by S. Number 8, the last. Use the same as, similar to, different from, like and alike in the sentence. You and I don't agree. Your ideas are blah 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 mine. Why I use different from? Because this sentence before is don't agree. And why I use from after different? Because word different usually is following by from. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.